right, so for today, we have a challenge here where this is a door. And in this door frame, as this door has been closed a little roughly, or as my daughter likes to do, she realized that these come loose in this old house, so she comes over here, she grabs this, and she pulls on it, and that pulls this right away from the wall. So there's a couple of things there. I think the door has actually been slammed, and it's actually bent to these nails. If you look at it from straight on, you can see how it's twisted over at an angle. So what we're going to do today is repair that. So here we go. All right, now what we're going to do first is we need to straighten those nails so that we can get this back on in a clean way and use some glue. So we'll come up here. I'm just going to use my foot to hold the bottom down there, and just grab my hammer and just gently nudge that back to straight. Now that top one up there, top nail is going to hold it, so I don't need to use my foot anymore to be able to get the rest of these nails. There we go. There we go. And final one. All right. So with that being done, put it back in place. See how well they go back on. Now I'm just making sure that each of these is going to line up. Looks like they didn't go in straight initially. That may have something to do with why it also came out. There we go. If I can get each of these to line up. Oh, that one's going way down. Okay, so that takes care of the need. So you can see how those nails line up with that hole there. They weren't for a minute there. I had to actually bend them down to try and line up with what was originally the angle they used with the nail gun when they were putting it together. So now we're going to take, I just got some wood glue here, take this wood glue, put it all down here, and then with that we'll be able to line up the wood, put it back on, and make sure it's not going to happen again. So let's see how this works. We'll start at the bottom just because I'm just using the nails to give me a pretty good guide as to where I need to put this. I'm not trying to be too fancy with it because in the end it's going to be applying pressure to it, and I'm not looking to put too much effort into this. I'm not looking to spread the glue too much. If it runs a little more, so be it. Okay, that gets started along the way. Now what we do, take it, hold it out, right through there. I can see that first one lining up right there. There we go. Come down a little further, grab the next one. There we go. Going back on. Nice. So those all did pretty good. Did have one, didn't quite get that hole, so there we go, just flattening it back in. Generally, these are just done with the brads themselves. Anything more than that is overkill. But I don't want it to happen again, so we're gonna do this. Okay, so as you can see, it's now reconnected. That would be more or less good at this point in time. I'm gonna do a couple of things just because I want to make sure this doesn't come off again. First of all, we'll clean up a little bit of that glue. It's going to get more of it coming out in a few moments, but anything I can get cleaned out right now is good. Down here at the base, we had a little bit that drizzled off the bottom. Down there. Get that all cleaned up. Okay. All right, now I'm going to need two hands. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2x4, set it there, use that to apply pressure evenly to the board, as opposed to if I was to be applying pressure at one point in that, we're going to be doing it with the board to apply pressure at the whole height. Okay. And then I'm going to use another 2x4 down there to go across the width. Let me grab, I'm going to drop this on the tripod, grab the width, and let's take a look at it. All right, here we go. Got our nice board lined up. Got our cross brace impacting there. And then we're going to use this as our item to be able to take care of the rest of that. Adjust that tripod, there we go. And then I want this okay, got that generally lined up where I want it. Just my generic spreader clamp. And I second guessed myself and decided I wanted to go a little bit different spot. Didn't quite have the grip on it. Got that nice clamp, applying the pressure here from the door frame on this side to that 2x4. That's about 2 foot of 2x4 there. It's hitting the other 2x4 here, which is then spreading that pressure that it's applying into that door frame from low to high. Nice. Alright, now we just got to leave that there to dry according to the instructions on the glue. Good times. Alright. We'll let that do its thing.